New team members starting today? Let's make sure they're ready to log in and go. In Percent POS, adding a user through the system menu gives you full control over setup, from login credentials to pay rates and emergency contacts. Once inside the Users tab, just click the Add button and start filling in the details. You'll need a user ID, a secure password, and their first name. Don't forget to choose a permission group. That's what defines what they can access in the system. Want to go a step further? Add in a badge ID for swipe access, hourly wage, or even mobile contact. Once it's saved, the user is active and ready to clock in, ring up sales, or access the manager menu, depending on the permissions you've set. It's a thorough method that's perfect when you want to document everything from day one. With Percent POS, you have the flexibility to manage your team your way.